Suzuki started business in 1909 as a loom manufacturer. In 1952, Suzuki started production of a motorized bicycle called Power Free. In 1962, Suzuki racing heritage began with the Isle of Man TT Championship. Since the foundation of the company, Suzuki has strived to provide value-packed products. Each of these models was epoch-making in their own right, as they were developed with originality and the advanced technologies of that period. The company has kept creating a wow with these products. Today, the S-Mark is recognized by people throughout the world as a brand of quality products that offer both reliability and originality. The home of Suzuki motorcycle development is located in Ryo, Japan. The course was built in 1964 and is famous for its high-speed layout with a 2.3-kilometer long straightway. Yes, this is one of the secrets of the superior performance and great handling of Suzuki products. However, in addition to this high-speed testing, there are many kinds of tests behind the quality and performance of Suzuki products. This test is to prove the durability of the bike. The bike is dropped more than 1,000 times. To monitor the durability of the bike over many hours, Suzuki uses a robot on a dynamometer. The riding pattern is programmable. The robot shifts gears and controls the throttle. To ensure the durability and quality, we test the bikes on a flooded road, on a pothole, on a speed bump, and on many kinds of different road conditions. Braking test in dry, wet and slippery road conditions. Sound test, wind tunnel test, engine bench test, and more. All Suzuki motorcycles come to life through countless hours of testing and many kinds of quality control. We believe that our passion and enthusiasm turns into your fun and excitement. Our pride of craftsmanship becomes your pride of ownership. Over 100 years of manufacturing and 60 years of building motorcycles. Our manufacturing spirit never changes. Providing value-packed products that offer both reliability and originality.
Suzuki Way of Life.